ball, going for a cross-body shot, getting the bottom eight, and clean goal. What a bowling from the MRPL opening bowling. Sharat Shetty.
Full gun rap jenik. Janko te bete full gana. Ya ije mule kattu malpe. Live kattu malpe. Avi inchi ni itu. Unna for han sakuli gana mare. Unnu lat per local daklega. Namma local dola.
And the new man is Moma.
Itte share malpe kudara. Ha itte beta it batan link.
What a good bowling. Starting the very first ball. Played on. Sharat Shetty. Good one, nice ball, wonderfully played by Mohan. He knows that his captain exactly well and he has to play. He is playing very calm and cool. Very nice color selection from Sharat Shetty for this attacks. Good one. Sharat Shetty. Saffron color, Indian black color, nice one. Shiny color. Blues also Indian color. Designed by none other than Karthik G. Oh, beautiful delivery. Naga behind the wicket, collecting very nicely. The more the wicketkeeper collects the ball, the more the bowler will be bowling nicely. Mahendra, the running leader, leading the Hyderabad team to the party.
आपका स्ट्रेटेजी था ना वो. Thank you यार. किसका? बोला ना. विकान को ऑफसाइड निकालना. वो फंस गया उसमें यार. Thank you यार वो.
Good one and before Silo collected the single hand.
Hey Rishabh bhai. देख लो आ रहा है अच्छा आ रहा है था क्लीन शॉट
Good one, nice ball. Even Kishan Shetty is being good. Over the first over, 1 run, 1 wicket. Happy man, somebody along with the sun. Manjan, great man, big six, unforgettable six. And the Ekar, as usual, all round. This issue is very quickly in and out. Big one and gone! Caught by Nagesh. Bowled. Mohammad. Madhukar comes to the crease. Madhukar Acharya. The doctorate in this round. Silence. Good ball, 123. Good one, nice replay, but straight to the wheel then. Sharan Shetty comes the ball very nicely, not getting any single. What a good over and power play. Two more legal deliveries. Okay, good bowling, making the batter to work for it. No backup, that makes a single.
ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಏನಂತ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ?
Sainu, for the last time in first over.
ನವೀನ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
So, over comes the end. So, those who have kept the bikes in front, please remove the bikes and cars. Cars are behind, we are not able to take the car. CGM car is at least. Those who have kept the bikes in front of the car, please remove the bikes. Or please keep it to the side of the car. Please. Sharan Shetty. Good one, not the length. What will it be?
Nice one.
Sharan Shetty. This time played with short lines from Madhukar. A single added, 3 on the board. 3 more legal deliveries.
Come on.
Sharan Shetty. Big one. Who is going to take it? Naveen. Oh, that is Karthik. KG taking a nice catch. And dismisses Kishan back to the pavilion. So 3 for 3, we are in the third over. 3 for 3. Sharat Shetty gets a lead edge from Amit Karkera, taking a single. Sharat Shetty, so far so nice bowling, just 3 runs and 2 wickets. On the leg side will be called wide. With that wide score moves on to 5. We are in the third over, last ball. So far only 5 runs but 3 wickets back in the pavilion. That shows the classic bowling of pastry players. Good one, beautiful delivery to end the over. 3 overs completed, 5 runs and 3 wickets. 5 runs and 3 wickets.
Ball boy, water boy.
So 3 overs completed, last over of our play. Shailesh Shetty will be starting the mark to Amit Karkera. Good one, nice ball. Getting leading edge, gone, one more. Just now Madhukar was saying, it was a rising delivery. Just now Madhukar was saying, don't go for a cross-batted shot. And Amit missing it, getting a top edge and gone. Wicket number 4 back to the pavilion and the new man is Harshit.
All the best, sir.
So Jogi being covered by Dilip. Today is not Jogi's day. Dilip little bit sad. And gone! What a catch! What a catch! Very nice catch. 5 for 5. Johnson trying to smash it, not getting it collected by Naga. What a nice catch from Pramod. The slip was kept and he has taken a nice catch. Over comes the end. 4 overs completed, 5 runs and 5 wickets. What a good bowling from Desi Pace. Sharan Raj. Good bowling. They are making the bowling as per plan. Away. Good bowling. Madhukar tracks it and played it to the point with no man's land. One more run added. 6 on the board. 5 back in the pavilion. Oh, good one. Nice bowling. Johnson just moving away, trying to pull it, not getting it connected. Gone! Saved! What a shot! Timing was perfect and what a nice shot from Johnson. Two more legal deliveries. Nicely made, fielded. Good fielding by Sailu, makes it dot ball. Good shot from Johnson, not throwing a ball in the air. Eight in the no man's land. Same area, twice has been gone. Over comes the name. 5 overs completed. 13 for 5. Karthik Singh comes to the bowling crease. Karthik. Good one, nice ball to start with.
Nice one.
Good one, fielded on his own bowling. That's nice way of bowling, nice fielding. Makes it dot ball. Good bowling from Karthik G. Johnson.
झाले
Away! Just away from the reach of Naga.
ఎక్కడ తెడ్డైతే
He takes a single.
కట్టదేరు
2 more legal deliveries.
ಸರಿ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಇಂಚಿ ಗುರುಜಾ
ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ
ಗುರುಜಾ ಮಾರೆ
Lock on
on the leg side. No man's land. They will. No, they are settling in the single.
చెప్పరే వంగండి
15 for 5. Last ball of the 6th over. On the legs. Brushing the pads on the way to the wicket keeper.
Match
Over
ended.
to the 6 overs completed.
View
Just
attend.
2 runs in that over. But importantly, they have not given any wickets. 15 for 6. Sorry, 15 for 5 at the end of 6 overs.
ನೀರು ಒಂದು ಪೂರ
ಪೂರ ಉಂಡು ಪೂರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಉಂಡು ಇರು ಬರ್ಪಾರ ಪನ್ಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬತ್ತು ಕುಲ್ಲುವಾರ ಪನ್ಲೆ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಉಂಡಲ್ಲ
రెడ్ మీరు చా తిండి పోవడం చా తిండిలో ఉంది బెచ్చ నీరులో ఉంది
ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರು
పండగ నాకు మూల క్యాంటీన్
ಮಾತ್ರ ರೆಡ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ
Santosh Yadav, the left-handed. To Madhukar Acharya. Gone high and maximum. First of all, short of length, the plate is very nice.
క్వాలిటీ చేంజ్
6.
720 ಚೂರು ఉందా 420 కూడా ಚೂರು ಉಂತುಂತುಲಕ ಒಂದು ಅವ್ನು FPS ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಉಂಡು ಅವು ಇಂಚಿನ FPS
Wide goal, wide. The 6 followed by wide.
ತಿರುಗಿ ಚೆಪ್ಪೋಡೋದು
ಅಂದು ಯಾನೈಕೆ ಬೆಂಡು ಮಲ್ಪರಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಈಚೆ ಬೆಂಡು ಮಲ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಚೂರು ಅಂದು
Good shot, and away! Just away from shoe. What a nice knock from Madhukar. Madhukar was slowly building up the innings. 6 followed by a boundary. It was away from DJ Shiv. Okay, Little Blade, take to the builder. Shot. But the man is there to stop all those boundaries. A single. 27 for 5. 2 more legal deliveries.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರಿ ವೈದ್ಯನಾಥ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ವೈದನ್ನ
Good shot. Oh, boundary. Beautifully played by Johnson. Very nice shot. Overfish delivery. Straight drive. And gone for a boundary. 16 runs have come already in this over. Got a good batting from these two. 5 wickets back in the
Mariana
and they
India.
are playing good
Kite
innings.
forward in.
Very good innings from Johnson and Madhukar.
पूरा क्या ना
Last ball. Dot ball the end over. 7 overs completed. 31.
बड़ा चक्कर
What a good innings. What a good over this one.
बर्पर 11 ले मुल्क कुल्ला
Mighty Aromatic. 16 runs came in that over.
आज इंग मैच उंड नवीन शेट्टी उल्ला ఎంగలే రడ్నే అంచనా కొంచెం మ్యాచ్ ఆయన ఉంటాయి నవీన్ శెట్టి ఆయన రెడ్ 6 మాత్ర 10 రన్ ಹಾಕ್ದೆ 14 ಬಾಲ್ ಜಾನ್ಸನ್ ರೆಡ್ 6 ಅಂದ 18 ಇತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇದು ಖಾಲಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏರ್ ಖಾಲಿ
Catch it in the goal. Ball will be falling safely away from Kiran.
ಚರ್ಬೋಡ ಎಡ್ಡೆಡ್ ತೋಜನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ
Sailu. Good one. Good ball. Missed it. It was asking for a beating. Missed it. Two more balls. Sailu. Gone. High there. Gone. Maximum. What a shot. One more ball. Still. One more ball. Wait for umpire's call.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ
ಒಂದು ತೂತು ಗೊಬ್ಬಿ
Madhukar. Gone. Somebody under it. Durga takes a nice catch. And a wicket gone.
ಮುಂಜು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಹಾಗೆ ರೀತಿ ಸಿರಾಜ್ ಬಂದು
கொஞ்சம் கிலோமீட்டர்
Shot nicely played into the long on region. Fielded by Manoj Emmy.
Score is
47 8 over.
Good bowling to the new batter, Shawan. 47 for 6, we are in the 9th over. 80 to 90 is a very good total. Big runs are expected from Shawan. Missed it, good bowling. That is a very nice bowling from Karthik.
ಮುಕ್ಲೆಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಎಡ್ಡ ಬಾಲ್ ಪಾಡು ರೈಟಿಂಗ್
Bowled a little bit short, that's a good thinking from the bowler. Backhand! One-handed, that is his left-hander. That is his correct hand. And he takes it, and Manoj Jambe takes a nice catch. What a catch.
ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್
The
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್
captain watching
ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್
from
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರಪ್ಪ ತಿರ್ಗ
the captain, Ritesh D'Silva, watching from the top. And along with Sachin Shetty, are admired by the catch.
Wrong judgment.
ಏನು
47 for 7.
ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೈದಂಡು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೈದಂಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೈದಂಡು
Venugopal. That was a splendid catch by Manoj Jambe. 2 more legal deliveries. Karthik Ji takes an important wicket to Venu. Except the bowler, everybody is climbing. The umpire will never give out except for it. Bowler has to climb. Good ball to start from Venu. Good one, nicely played. Takes a single and keeps the strike for him. 9 overs completed. Just 2 runs in the over. What a good over from Karthik Ji. 9 overs completed. 48 for 7. Tenth over, Sharat the captain bowling. He has bowled 2 overs, given 4 runs and taken 2 wickets. What a good bowling from Sharat Shetty. Sharat Shetty to Venugopal. Good bowling, nice ball, watchfully played.
FPS ಬಂದದ ಫುಲ್ ಇದು ಯಾರು ಫುಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವರ್ಕ್
Frames per second. It tells you how many individual images.
Good one, and keeping leaders and taken back. Taken by Naga.
I see it
Nelamangala
ಒಂದೇ
Naga
ಒಂದೇ
takes
ಟಿಪ್ಪನ್
1 more
ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
wicket.
ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ
for 24 FPS, 24
FPS.
images every
And the new
second.
man is Deepak Talaban.
30 FPS.
ನಾನು ಅವೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ
Mission
ಅವು ಅಲ್ಪ ಉಂದ
1 second
is having a separate
image
song.
generate up. Photo video
ಶೇಖಾ ಒಂದು
convertible.
Jittu is having a smile on that.
30 30
34.
ಏನು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಡು
higher FPS
ನೆಟ್ ಬರಂದಿದ್ದು ಅವು ಏನು ನೈಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಡು ಏನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಡು ಅವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊಡ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಪುಂಡು
higher FPS is equal to smooth
ಲಾಲ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಪುಜಾ
ಶೇಕ್ ಆಪುಜಿ
ಮಲ್ಪೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ FPS
Sharan Shetty taking wicket number 3.
ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
Deepak Talmani. Oh, misses, catch it, misses.
ಒಂದೆಟ್ಟು ಬರೋದುಂಡು FPS 16 17 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆವಂದೆ
Should have been 4 for
ಫೈವ್
Sharan
ದಿ
Shetty.
ಫ್ರೀ ಉಂಡು ಏರ್ಟೆಲ್
The ball was a little bit speed, 124 kilometers per hour. That's why Naga missing it. Without bare hands, without gloves. Happy Reddy. This time, God. Not out. Oh, it was on the shoulders maybe, not on the back, not out. Good one, again nice bowling. Ball spinning ahead. One more run added.
ಜಾನ್ಸನ್ ಊರಿದೀನಿ ಮಾತ್ರ
Sharan, last ball of his spell.
ನಂಬೋಂಡಿ ಸೋನು ದಾದ
ಸೋನ್ಲೆ ತಂಬೈದಿ
ತಾನೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಫುಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ತಮಾರೆ ಬಿತ್ತು
ಅಂದು ತುಗುದ್ಲು ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾರಾಮುಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ತೂತು
ಅವ ಅಮ್ಮನೊಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು
ಉರಿ ರಜನ ಮೂಜುವಾರ
Neatly played by Johnson into the vacant square leg region and take a single and keep the strike. 10 overs completed, 50 for Mighty Aeronautics.
ಖಾಲಿ 50 ಏನು ಸ್ಕೋರ್
10 or 50 8 wicket
Look at they were straight after this match to the night shift. They're getting ready, he came back.
ಪಿಂಕುಲಿ ಪಿಂಕುಲಿ
Sharan Raj.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ರನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಈತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೊಂದು
ಮಧುಕರ್ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್
ಅದು ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 6 ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಜಾನ್ಸನ್ ಒಂದು 6 ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಕದರಾಡ್ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಓವರ್
Catch it and ball will be into no man's land. Nobody inside the 30-yard circle. They are running for the double. Good running. Wrong end. 2 runs. Good running between the wickets. That was a call from Johnson. Johnson and Deepak responded. Good running. Single was converted into double. Good running. 52 on the board.
ಜಾನ್ಸನ್ ಏತಾನೆ
23 19 ಬಾಲ್
ಹಾಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅರ್ಪೀರ್
And this time Manoj will not leave it. Bucket hands and he takes a nice catch. Mrs. Manoj is very happy. She's watching the match
ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಅವರು
along with her kid.
ನನ್ನ 11 ಬಾಲ್ ಉಂಟು
Santosh.
ಹಾಂ 10 ಬಾಲ್ ಉಂಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಕೆಟ್
ಸ್ಕಫೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಬಲ್ತು ಚಿಡಿపోతుంది ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತು
Sharan. Good one. missing the wickets by millimeters. Nice bowling from Charan Raj. Ball gone. 52 all out and 53 is the target.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ಎಂಟು ಉಂಟು ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಏ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬೋರೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಚಾ ಅಂದ
ಆಯ್ತು
ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕೋಡು ಏ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ಪೂರ ಉಂಡಾ
ಎವ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ 50 ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗರ್ಡಲ್ ಹಾಕೋಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಉಂಟೆ ನೀವು 50 ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವಿಜಯಗುಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ
ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಚಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಪ್ರಣೀತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಔಟ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅವ ಈಗ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯ JBL ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್
ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್
ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಿದ್ದೆ ಚೋರ್ ಬಜಾರ್
ಪೂರ ನಿನ್ನಲಕ್ಕ ಉಪ್ಪು ಜಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಪ್ತಾನ್
ಶರತ್ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪವರ್
ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಡ್ದು ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದೆಟ್ಟು ತೋಜಾದ್ವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ
ಅವತ್ತು ಎನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕಲೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಚಿಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮಾರ ನಿಜ ತಲಗಲಿ ತೋಜುಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೂರ
ಪೂರ ಬೈದನು ವಿಡಿಯೋಡು ನಿಖಲ್ ದಾದ ಪಾಡ್ದು ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪೂರ
ಶರತ್ನ
ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೂರ ಬೈದನು
ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಪೂರ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ
Is the target in the stipulated 12 overs. Opening batters, assistant no changes. Nagesh and Kiran. Opening bowler is Madhukar. Madhukar from Nagesh. The batter is not ready.
ನಾರ್ತ್ ಎಂಪೈರ್ ಉಳ್ಳಾರ ಬಲ್ತೀರಿ ಸರ್
Nicely played, Setu Johnson. No, sorry, straight to Harshi.
ಅವು ಈ ರಡ್ಡೆ ಜನ ಬರೀ ಜಾನ್ಸನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಾಬ್ಸ್ OMS ಬಾಬಣ್ಣ
Good one, nice bowling. Nice bowling. Bat getting turned in from the hands of.
ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ 53
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಡ್ಡೆ ಜನ
ಟಿತ್ರಿ
ಜಾನ್ಸನ್ ಬಾಬ್ಸ್
Madhuka. Good one, beautiful bowling. Outside offside, completely beaten. Collected by Shirajuddin behind the wicket. That's a nice bowling from Madhuka. Change in pace, change in length. Good thinking by the bowler. Good man, beautifully bowled and watchfully played. Giving full respect to the ball, going for a defensive shot. That's
ಉಂತುವೆ
Nagesh.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಟ್ಟ ಉಂತುವೆ ಅದು
Good man, again beautiful ball. Lovely 5 balls, 5 dot balls. What a good bowling to start. Madhuka.
ಯಾಪಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಡೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು
Shot. Played it in the gap. Man is there. Kishan will be cutting it for a single.
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಯಾಪ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂಡಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ಲ
First over it should have been made in, but last ball he has taken a single and keeps the strike. Neatly played, straight to Deepak Talapadi. Good bowling, good fielding.
ಬೇರೆ ದೀಪಕ್ಕ ತಲ್ಪಾಡಿ
ದೀಪಕ್ ತಲ್ಪಾಡ್
ಅಂದು ಮಾರ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 100 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಉಂಟು
There is a goal! And taken! This time Kishan Shetty takes a nice catch and dismisses. Sorry, Kishan takes a nice catch and dismisses Nagesh. And the new man is Manoj Emni. So all the top ranking batsmen are out today. Jogi out in the very first over.
ಲೈವ್ ಎಂಚ ಬರಂತಿಲ್ಲ
And Nagesh getting out in the second over. Very good catch taken by Kishan. Shot, save, full leg, and Manoj Kumar making a sweet six in the very first ball he has faced. His daughter is dancing after that six. 3 more balls.
ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ఉండదా
Mutton ball.
ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅದು ಬರೋದುಂదా ಅವೇ ಅವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 420 ಪಾಡು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಓಕೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ఉండదా
ಪಾಸ್ ಆಫ್
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡು
ಮಾರೆ ನೆಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಈತೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ
Good one. Yorker line watchfully played.
ನೆಟ್ ಈತೆ
Nice bowling. Nice bowling from
ಈ ಸತಿ
Shah.
ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕಪ್ ಆನಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಬರೋಂದಿತ್ತಂಡತ ತಿತ್ತದ ಒಂಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಅವು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಬರೋಂದಿತ್ತು ಮಾರ
ವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಕವರ್ ಅಪ್
ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಗೊಂದಿತ್ತಂಡು
ಒಂದು ವೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಉಂಡು ಪಾಡ್ದು ಜನ
ಪಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ
Again, straight to the fielder.
ಅದು ವೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಜೂಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್
Following the ball before the ball. They're taking the ball. Good running. Good running. Nice running between the wickets.
ಪಿಚ್ಚಿನ
2 more runs added.
ಆಯ್ತು ತೂಲೆ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾಂತಿಕಂಡ ಮಲ್ಪ ಪೂರ
ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಜೂಮ್ ಮಲ್ತಂಡ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ತೂಲದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ
ಈತ ಮಲ್ಪಲ್ಲ ಈಗ
ಮಲ್ತದೆ ತೂಲೆ ಕೊರ
ಪೂಲ್ ಮಲ್ಪ
Shot
ಮಲ್ತದೆ ಐತೆ
on the legs will be called a wide.
ಮಲ್ತಾರ ಜೂಮ್
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ
ಮನೋನಾಡೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪಿಚ್ಚಿ
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಒಂದು ತಾವಡಿ ಏತು
ಹಾಂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕುಡಲ ಪೋಪುನ
ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರಲಿ
ಫುಲ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಉಂಟು ಕಾಡ್ದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂಜಿ ಬಾಲ್ ಪಿರ ಉಂಟು
ಕುಡೊಂಜಿ ಪಾಡಿ ಕುಡೊಂಜಿ ಜೂಮ್ ಪಾಡಿ
Manoj again wide leaves the ball to for a wide.
ಪಯ್ಯ
ಏಯ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು
ಹಾಂ ಏಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದು ಏಟ್
ಆನೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರ ಜೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇದು ಅಡ್ಡ ಫುಲ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರಲಿ
ಇಜ್ಜಿ
ಇದು ಕುಡೊಂಜಿ ವ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು ಪಾಡಿ ಜೂಮ್ ಇನ್ನು ಪಿರ ಉಂಡು ಎದುರು ಹಾಂ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬಾತುಂಟು
Shot of length 6. Shot of length 6. What a shot from Manoj. 2 sixes is over to complete it. 2 overs completed.
Adda badli.
16 runs came in that over. And score moves on to 17.
Rotate on.
17 for 1. Manoj was waiting for short pitches. 2 short pitches and both gone for maximum. So Nagesh getting out, not playing his routine shots. He was going for every ball defending. He usually smashes the balls, but calm and cool play is not his nature. That's why he is in the dugout. Madhukar.
ಈ ತೇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಉಂಟು
ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಉಂಟು
Really played. Saying that is intelligent play from Kiran. You know Manoj is playing good and he takes a single and gives a break to
ಕಿರೌಡ್
Manoj.
ಎಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ
Good bowling and good
ಒಂದೊಂದು
batting from Kiran.
ಇತ್ತದ ಲೈವ್ ಪೋಲಿಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪೆಟ್ಟು ಅವು ಪೋಯಿನ ಬೇತೆ ಬಂತ
ಇತ್ತದ ಲೈವ್ ಪೋಲಿಗೆ
Good one again. Nice bowling. Nice bowling from Madhukar. Watchfully played by Manoj Shimli.
ಬೆಸ್ಟ್
ಒಂದು ಬೆಟರ್
ಮುಂದೆ
ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಇರ್ನ ಪಿರೌಡ್ ದಾತ್ ದೂರ ಹೊಡ್ದು ಏರು ದಾದ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಂದಿಂದ ಬಾಲ್ ಪಿಚ್ಚಾಪಿನ ಮುಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ತೋಜು ಬಾಲ್ ಪಿರೌಂಡ್
ತಿರ್ಗವ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಭಂಗ ಅಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ
ತಿರ್ಗವನ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿ ಈ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಹಿಡ್ದು
Again.
ಅದು
Again,
ball
lovely
போனாக.
ball and watchfully played.
ಜಾಕಿನ
Manoj is
ಪೆಟ್ಟು
playing
ಆಕಿನ
cool and calm in
ಪೆಟ್ಟು
it. Any loose learning punishes. Good line line.
ತುಕೆ ಯಾನವರ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಎತ್ತುಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಚೆ ಬತ್ತುಲ್ಲ.
Nice batting. Good to watch.
ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ತಿರ್ಗಾದ ಏನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೆ
Madhukar Acharya.
ಎಂಚೆ ಎತ್ತಂತ ಚಲುತ್ತೆ
Shot save. Over-pitch delivery. Over-pitch delivery. Asking for double in the maximum. That's he's playing a sensible innings. He watches the ball till the last minute and plays it sensibly.
ಚಲುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ದ ತುಕ್ಕ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ದ ಒಂದೆಂಚೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ
Manoj Kumar.
ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಉಂಡು ಆಂಡ
Oh, beautiful delivery. Even Manoj Kumar doesn't know what to do. He was in a double
ದಾದ
line.
ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡ
And ball
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕ ಆಪಾಗ ಝೂಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಲ್
Shirajuddin.
ಆಂಡ ಫುಲ್ ಕವರ್
ಆಪ್ ಈರು ಇದು ಏತ್ ಹಿಡ್ದಿತ್ತಾರ
ಐಟ್ ಏತ್ ಬರಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಹಾಂ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಉಂಡು
ಫುಲ್ ಉಂಡಾತ ಅವೇ ನಡೆಗೆ
Okay, nice ball, nice bowling.
0-1 ಕಲ್ಲ ಅಪಾಗ ಅವರ ಫುಲ್
In the deck, over the minute. 3 overs completed. 24 for 1.
ಒಂದು ಆತು ಟೈಮ್ ತಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ವಿ
ಒಂದು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬೊಕ್ಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅದು ಬಾರಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್
ಹಾಂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಪ ತೋಜಿಜ್ ಅಂದ ಆತು
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೂರೊಂದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಝೂಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಝೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Harshit Shetty comes to the bowling crease to Kiran Kumar. Nice one, played with soft hand. Deepak Talapadi catches it. Gang neatly played. Now they take no set. Venugopal is very ready to stop all those singles. Good bowling from Harshit Shetty. Harshit Shetty on the legs once they called wide. Beautiful shot, one ball, and Rakesh is collecting it. What a nice, glorious cover, beautifully played, right on the pitch, and in no man's land, boundary results. Again, played this with soft hand. He's going for double. Good running, good running. That's nice call. He was running to the ring and a good response from Manoj. And Kiran takes double. Two more legal deliveries. Mainly played. Sharman.
ಶರತ್ ಈಗ ಜರ್ಸಿ ಕಡಪ್ ಜರ್ಸಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇತೈತಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅವೇ ಮಲ್ಪಾರ ಆರೆಂಜ್.
Again, I will they take a single. Good running. Good call and good response. The response from the non-striker, Manoj. He saw the ball was straight to Sharman, but still he responded to his partner and takes a single and keeps one more run. 4 overs completed. 32 for 1.
అది ఇంక ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ కూడా ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ ఉంది సూట్ అవుతుంది లైక్ ఆ వకే అంట ఆల్రెడీ మళ్ళీనే ఉండత నాదరు పోడు బెంగళూరు పోడు ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ನೈಟ್ ನಾದ ಬುಡಿದಿ ತಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಉಂಟು ಹೋದ ಬರ್ಪಿನ ಬರ್ಪುಡ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕಡೆ ಏನುಂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಡು ಯಾನಿತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿತ್ತೆ
Johnson coming to the bowling green.
ಒಂದು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಲ್ತಂಡು
ಅಂಚಿನ ತಿರ್ಗಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾರ
4 overs completed. Power play has come to an end. Fielders are widespread. On the legs, wide.
ಯಾನಿತ್ತೆ ಏತ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಹಿಡ್ದಿತ್ತೆ ತೂಲೆಗೆ
ಫುಲ್ ಜೂಮ್ ಯಾನ್ ಯಾಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಜೂಮ್ ಎಟ್ಟೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣಾಡು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಜೊತೆ ಸೆಟ್
Good one. Again, this time on the
ಅಣ್ಣ
offside.
ಝೂಮ್
Just going for a flashy drive.
ಝೂಮ್ ಮಲ್ತುಂಡ ಕುಡಲ FPS ಕುಡಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಪ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಒಂದು ಪೋಪುಂಡ
ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಡೈತೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಡಂಜಿ 420 ಯಾವ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಹಿಂದಿ ಏತಿಟ್ಟು ಉಂಟು
720
Beautiful ball. And it's gone.
420 ಗೊತ್ತು
Gets at edge. And Shiraj then takes a nice
ಫ್ರೀಸ್
catch.
ಒಂದು
And caught behind.
722
That is what you are not playing your natural game, you are getting out. Nagesh gets out by not playing his
ನಂಗೆ ಮುಂತ
natural
ವೈಫೈ
game.
ದಿಕ್ಕಂದ
Now Kiran also goes for the defense and
ಅದೇ
leaves.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ತೂಲೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೋಕ್ ಬರೋದುಂಟು ಕೂಡ ಝೂಮ್ ಮಲ್ಪರ
ಝೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ
ಝೂಮ್ ಈತೆ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಹಿಡ್ದಿದ್ದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಲ್ದಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ
ಅವು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಹಿಡ್ದಿಂಗ ಇದು ಟಿ ವಿ ಪಾಡ್ನಾಗ ಒಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೇತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಂದು ಇದೊಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಅಂಚೆ ತೊಂದರೆ
ಒಂದು ಆಟೋ ರಿಪ್ಲೇ
ಇದಿತ್ತು ಬೊಡ್ಚಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾಡು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಲ್
FPS 16 FPS
ಚಕ್ಕಲಿಗೋಡ
Sharan Raj comes to the batting crease. Left-handed Sharan Raj.
निकलें पड़ा मुझे ही ना कैमरा मैन
ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು
ಮೂಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಒಂದುಂಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿ
Good one, nice bowling, watchfully played. That's a good bowling from Johnson. He has taken an important wicket, caught behind Sirajuddin.
ಚರಣ ಹಾಕುವರಾ
Johnson. Oh, on the legs will be called a wide. Runs given free of cost. That makes the score to 34. Beautifully ball. And see the fielding by Mohammad. Oh, Mohammad. Nice fielding. Bad throw.
Death dakadina.
Makes one more run, easy runs.
ನವೆಂಬರ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಜನವರಿ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಇದ್ರ ಜೂನ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್
ಜನ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಬರೋಣ ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಲ್ಪುಲ್ಲಿ
Johnson.
ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಟಾಕ್ ಜನ ತಿಕ್ಕಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮಗ
Good shot. A man is there. Fielded nicely by.
ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಟಾಕ್
Oh,
ತಿಕ್ಕಂಡೆ
back throw.
ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಟಾಕ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್
They are not taking any run. Shove a little bit away. Makes only one run. Last ball.
ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಟಾಕ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಟೂರ್ ಮಲ್ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಜಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಪಂಡ ಒಂಜೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ತಿರುಗುಲಕ
ಕೊಡ್ದು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ 4 ಕಡೆ
Sharan Raj. Shot, Tony. Ball is ruled था.
ನೈನ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಆಚೆಗೆ ಹಾಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ
Over to the end. 5 overs completed. 38 for 2.
ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಪೂರ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗದ ಪವರ್ ಡೊಪ್ಪು ಶರತ್ನ ಪವರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ
38 for 2. At the end of 5 overs.
ರೆಡ್ ಬುಲ್ ಉಂಟು ನಾಗನ ರೆಡ್ ಬುಲ್
42 balls.
ನಾಗನ ರೆಡ್ ಬುಲ್ ಶರತ್ನ ಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್
Mohammad comes to the bowling crease.
ಆ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಉಂಡದ
One more single makes
ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ
good bowling from Mohammad.
ಇದು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಜ್ಜಾ
Now it comes left-handed.
ಕಡೆ నుంచి ಪಾತಿರಂತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜಯಾನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ
On the legs will be wide. Oh, very
14.
minimum runs. Giving extras.
ಹೋಯ್ ಇದಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಅಂತ ಕಿತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು
Mohammad. Good bowling. This time right on the money, on the outside. Asking for the batter to go for big one. Nice bowling from Mohammad.
ವೈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 1G6 500 ಬನ್ನಿ ನಾ ವೈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ
ಏರು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಕೊರ್ಪುನ
good one. Again, shot of length. Good bowling, good thinking from Mohammad. Not allowing the batter to swing around. Good bowling. He's having a different style for different men. Oh, good one. Again, 3 continuous dots. Very good bowling from Mohammad.
ఎక్కడ దెడ్ ఫస్ట్
అవి రిషబ్ నాకు రప్ప ఆగిజే రిషబ్ భయంకర ఫామ్
Oh God, Todi.
నాకు పూర ఫామ్ నవీందర్ నా ఫామ్ గుర్తి
Masaraj, ball bantu, Masaraj.
ನವೀಂದರ್ 6 ಕೊಡ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನವೀಂದರ್ 6 ಕೊಡ್ತೆ
Last. And Harshit Shetty collecting it for a single. Over comes an end. 6 overs, 43 for 2.
ಹುಟ್ಟಿನ 4 ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾರ
ಅಂದಿಗೆ ఆయన ಓಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನವೀಂದರ್
ಎಂಕಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ತಿಚ್ಚಿರ ಮಾರ
Good shot, straight to the fielder.
రాజేష్
Mohammad is the fielder.
నవీందర్ కదా
No shot of any single. That's a nice bowling from Johnson.
రాజేష్ సందేశ్ కుట్టి
ನವೀಂದರ್ ಅಂತ ಪಂಡಿದೆ
ನವೀಂದರ್
Good loss, big one. Shiraz, out of it. Very well played, Shiraz.
ಜೋಗಿ ಬೈ
The
ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್
gate was straight of him, and that's why he is a little bit annoyed.
ಜೋಗಿ ಬೈ ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ
ಫುಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇತ್ತಿಂದ 2 ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಗೆ ಅವು మరి ಇತ್ತ 40% ಉಂಟು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾರೆ ಬಾರ್ಕುಡ್ ನಿಕಲ 6 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ
Big one, Tony. Masappa.
ನವೀಂದರ್ ಮೂಜಿ 6 ಕೊಡ್ತೆ ನಾನು 6 ಕೊಡ್ತೆ ನಾನು 6 ಮಾತ್ರ ಹತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಮುಖೇಶ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಅನ್ನಪ್ಪ ರಡ್ಡು ಆರು ಕುಟಿನೋ ಅನ್ನಪ್ಪ ನಾಯ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರು ಖಾಲಿ ಕಾರಡು ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಭಯಂಕರ ಡೇಂಜರ್ ಮಾರೆ ಪೆಟ್ಟೆ ಮಾರೆ ಬೌಲರ್
Wide ball.
ಹಾಂ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೈಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ಪಾರ
ಹಾಂ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಜಪ್ಪು ಈಗ ನಾಗೆ ಚಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಪತ್ತವೆ ಇಳಿಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ
Good ball. Going for a big one, not getting it connected. Shiraz is connected. Nice bowling from Johnson. 5 more runs. Okay. Last ball of this over. No. Third ball to end over. 7 overs, 48 for 2. Oh, big one. No set umpire. Harshit Rashid Shetty bowling so nicely. Shot and gone like a rocket to the corner of the ground. And that's a victory run. There he is, buddy. Man of the match. Back that one. And the man of the match is none other than the man who has taken 4 wickets and curtailed the run rate. He is none other than Shailesh Shetty. Sail away, buddy.